me Jaya once again, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, we'll be doing unboxing because my parcel came today, just received it today. So I'm thinking to do unboxing so you can able to see. This is actually my first time to order online here in Greece. So we're gonna do unboxing for you guys. Okay. And this is gonna be my sport shoes. Dun! And so this is actually from which shop, baby? Step Sport. So this is so this actually guys from Step Sport shop, online shop. You can order online. You can order sports shoes or any sports clothes from there. Okay. Before we start guys, actually before I decided to bought this shoes online, we went first in the shop in the center. Okay, so to take a look of the shoes that I want at first, because I don't know exactly my size here, so we wanted to make sure that we can get the exact size. Luckily, at first we found one shoes online that I really like, and then the only size that they have is only size 30. What size is that? 36. Yeah, I thought my size is 36 because my size is really 36 for the shoes, especially for sneakers. And I remember also I bought last time a Nike shoes, and I think it's also 36 in Singapore. That's why I thought my size is 36. Then when we went in the shop here at the center, and when I checked the size of the shoes, I tried it. The size that I tried is actually 37.5 because 36, my husband said that 36 is too small for me. He says that for the sport shoes is always one size bigger than your original size. So we tried the 37.5 size, and it's really fit to me just exactly. So that's my size here guys. There is actually 37.5 for the sport shoes. So now I knew that's my size. So that's why, but since there's no sale at the moment in the shop now, because they are always having sale here in the month of July, August. Yeah, there's sale, but still since early they don't have sale yet. So we decided to check it online, the prices of the shoes that I like from the shop. So, and we found that actually at first when we check it, it's not yet on sale, and then after I think 1 or 2 weeks when we check it again, charan, they're lucky there's on sale. It's on sale now guys. That's why I think it's that's why if you want to get discount, you have to wait for the sale. Yeah, that's one of my tip to you guys. Okay, just wait for the sale. It's always have sale here. Yeah, actually everywhere they are having sale. So if you want to save a few bucks, so you have to wait for the sale guys. So here it is guys. Okay, here you go guys. So here is the item. So we're gonna do unboxing. I'm so excited. Hope it's really the same than the one that I saw in the shop. Okay, let's do it. Keep on watching guys. It's really easy, right? Are you excited? I haven't bought any sports shoes here yet. So this is my first sports shoes here from Greece. Okay. Actually, what's that only there? It's not here. Alright. Charan! So it's another box. It's Nike, guys. Let's take a look first. I'm gonna take a look first before you guys. Charan! So this is it. Okay, charan! Ta-da! So here it is, guys. Here you go. Here you go. So this is the shoes. It's white. Yeah, it's the same. The one I saw in the shop. The same, guys. Let me check the size. Where is the size today? Oh! 6.5. Why 6.5? Oh, yeah, correct. It's in euro, it's 37.5. Oh, I thought it's the wrong size. Okay, correct. This is correct. My size is 7.5 in euro. Okay, so this is the shoes, guys. I love it. It's nice. It's very light, guys. It's really very light shoes. That's it, guys. It's really very light. By the way, guys, this is Downshifter 11. Okay. I'm gonna try it. I choose white because I can pair it with anything, especially this summer. I can pair it with dress or any casual, yeah, a casual outfit.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on